Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are learning about Excel, as you can clearly see here. I'm sorry I didn't publish videos for these many days. I just got into my exams and forgot my channel. Anyway, remember this video is not related to YouTube. It's only in Ingrid. I uploaded this anyway. This is what you learn. Arithmetic operations, sort, filter, statistical, and mathematical functions, conditional formatting. Don't mind this date. Now, what is in here? Here you'll learn Excel, arithmetic options, and sort and filtering, and statistical and mathematical functions as it's mentioned in here, and conditional formatting, for which I already know. But I'm a bit bored and I'm having mouth ulcers, so I didn't want you to explain that much. Okay? Now, remember these notes. I will mute my audio, then play the video, and I'll add some notes in case he doesn't provide that much information. Alright, now let's start. And also, I have a special marker to mark whatever there is. Okay? Now, let's go to the video. 3, 2, 1, go. And I'm also muting my audio.
Yeah. Saturday, Sunday. Okay, fine. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. चलो ठीक है. Shall we move ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yeah. Okay. 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 So first, I am taking the thing that you all are very new to Excel. Okay. So I am discussing Excel from very basic level. Okay. So now we will go through the interface of Excel. So here you can see this is the quick access toolbar at the very top where you have save button, undo, redo. Okay. This is for charts and this is Excel. Okay. So this is the quick access toolbar. Now below the quick access toolbars, you are having different menu options like file is there, home is
Sorry, my audio wasn't clear, right? Sorry, I just forgot. Anyway, this is the quick access toolbar. This is the title. This is the search box. This is the account holder. These two are sharing enablements. This shares and these are the comments. The comments can only be used if you are sharing. These are the commands and these are the tabs. Together they make the ribbon. Now, this is the name box. Inside, it shows the cell reference. As you can clearly see here, cell reference. The cell reference notes on which column you are and on which row you are. Like D28. That means he is in the D column and he's in the 28th row, which is not available in our site. But where my cursor is, that's where it is. Okay? When you select a cell has a column number, a column alphabet, and a row number. Together, they make the cell cell name or the cell reference. Like if I select this cell, this one belongs to the I column, and it belongs, it is in the 10th row and in the I column. Together, this is the single cell that we have selected. This is known as I10. It's a cell reference. This is the formula tab, right where fx is, this big bar. These help whether the formula is right or wrong, although they are useless. But if you're a starter in Excel or a beginner or noob, whatever you say it, then this is for you. This is the worksheet navigation in toolbar. This is the status bar. Okay, these are the worksheets. The main name is spreadsheet. This plus sign is used to add sheets. The maximum number of sheets that can be on a workbook, this whole thing is called a workbook actually, not just this sheet. There's a big difference between a workbook and a worksheet. A workbook is actually a file, while a worksheet is a part of a file of a workbook. Okay, these help us move where from which file do we need to search, and this help just helps us. These are the reading modes. Okay, enabling mode, editing mode, and reading mode. These control the size. Okay, and this is the more option, whatever that is. And this inserts a bar graph or donut. Now let's get back to the video.
There, insert menu, page layout, formulas, data, and so these are all your menu options. Now under the menu option you are having, like here in home you are having clipboard. Okay, so clipboard here you can cut, copy and paste. A format painter button is also there. Then we have a font ribbon. Now font is for changing the font size, color, uh, font background. So you can, all these things you can control from here. Then we are having alignment. So alignment you can either left align, right align or align it centrally. Okay. Then we are having the numbers pane here. So here you are having the different number formats in Excel, like general, number, currency, accounting, short date, long date. These are different number formats. Okay. Now below this option, we are having the formula bar. This one is your formula bar where fx is written. This one is your formula bar. Now beside the formula bar, you are having name box. This is called name box. Now you are seeing it is written D28. Okay. Now suppose if I click on any cell, I am clicking here. So you are getting the name box as, in the name box you are getting D4. Now this represents the address of the cell. Cell address. D4 means D column and fourth row. Okay. Column is D, row is fourth. If I click on some other cell like C4, so C column and fourth row. Okay. I hope till here it is clear. Now see, if I want to go to the very last column, okay, very last column of Excel. So what I will do, I will press Control plus right arrow key. Okay, so on clicking Control plus right arrow key, I came to the last column. So the last column is XFD. Okay. If I want to come back, I will press Control plus left arrow key. Okay. Similarly, if I want to go to the last row, I'll press Control plus down arrow key. So what is the last row? It is 10,48,576 rows are there in this sheet. Okay. Now if you want to go back at the top, you will press Control plus up arrow key. Okay. Now below this sheet, you are having, you can see it is written blank, text functions, text to columns, cell reference. So these are my different sheets of this file. Okay, these are different sheets of this file. A workbook can have many sheets. So these are the sheets of this Excel file. And below it, we are having status bar. Understood? If you're having any doubts, you can ask me. You can raise your hand and ask me. Okay, I hope all good. Okay, now coming to text functions.
Upper helps us to make the letters capital. Sorry. Anyway, lower control converts uh, converts the letters to their small form. Anyway, proper turns the letters into a proper way, like Las Vegas. Doesn't it look weird a bit? They turn the L into capital and the V as well into capital. This is the proper function. Len, meaning length. It tells us how many words are there in the words. Now that's a useless function, I guess. Mid. Travancore. I don't know what does this word mean. Mid helps us uh mid helps us to convert the words into a simpler form. Not a simpler form, just to get some words and put them here. Like Travancore. What's V's index number? Now you must be wondering, what's an index number? Index number means the position number of the letter, like T. It's at the first position, so its index number is 1. R 2 A 3 V 4. V's index number is 4. R's index number is 2. So what's mid's function? First, you need to select the text. Second, from where do you need to select? Select. Write the column index number. Only the index number. So I want it from starting from R to end it to A. We will get Rava. Okay? But to get Rava, what do we need to do? We will first of all write 2 because the index number of R is 2. And then it will ask the characters. It won't ask the next index number. It will get confused if there are any duplicates or what. Okay. So what we will do? We will just enter the number of characters. Like I want Rava. So how many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 characters. So I'll enter 4. And then you'll get Rava. Although that's a bit useless because you can just write it yourself. But if it's a big word, then this is useful. So I call this a lump sum mid one. Mid. Huh. Left. It selects text from the left. Like 3. I'll get by. Right. From the right. Like I want mum, so I'll write mum. So it will give us mum. Trim. It will remove any spaces, but like this. First name. Do you see the space in between them? That's not what it's trim. It just trims the the useless space or the unnecessary space that is not useful enough. Although I'll classify this as useless because any man will be able to find it. Fine. I don't know what does this function do really. And finally, concat. Don't get confused when he writes the function, okay? Because concat is actually called nowadays. This is the 21 version, meaning 2021. It's 365 actually. But the other ones are actually like the previous versions, like 2019, 2016, 2010, 2000, 2013, 2007, 2003, whatever that there are. That's that's theirs is written concatenate. Concatenate. Do you see this concat? In front of the right to its right, it will write net. Sorry for this glitch anyway. Left is actually this way. So if I want mom, so I write mom. So this will give me mom here. And if I want to buy, it will give me buy here. I'll call this rumsum mid. Concatenate. This is the full spelling. What's this function? To join two or more than two words into here. I call this good because a man won't spend his time for writing the full name. Okay? Bye bye.
So we will discuss now text functions. Now text functions,
Why isn't it working?
in text functions we have upper, lower, proper, len, mid. These are the text functions. So we will discuss now
There has been
text
some kind of
functions.
glitch. Wait, let me repair
Now
it.
text functions, in text functions we have upper, lower, proper, len, mid. These are the text functions. So okay, now coming to text functions. So we will
That's better.
discuss now text functions. Now text functions, in text functions we have upper, lower, proper, len, mid. These are the text functions. So to use any function, we start with an equals to sign. Okay, we start with an equals to sign. So equals to, then I will write upper. Okay, UP. You can see that I have got upper here. Now I will press tab to activate this function. So the function is activated. Now the next thing is text. So I will pass the text. Okay, and then click on enter. Okay, if you want, I am again repeating it. Equals to, I'm writing upper, press tab. Now pass the text and enter. Got it? So what is upper doing? It is converting all the characters to uppercase. Next is lower. So as the name suggests, lower will convert all the characters to lowercase. So equals to lower. I press tab and I will pass the text and enter. So now it has converted all the characters to lowercase. Yes, Laksh.
Sir, rather than using mouse to select the left column, can we use shift plus left arrow key?
Yes, yes, you can use it.
Okay. And sir, what if we want to like convert the word in upper or lower in the E row only, not in F row?
There only.
Yes.
No, there how you can use, you have to pass the reference also, no?
Okay. So like if we have to move it somewhere else, then we can do this.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Next is proper. So proper will capitalize the first letter of every word to capitals. So here L and V will be capitalized. So equals to proper, press tab and pass the text. Okay. So here L and V will get capitalized. Next is len. So len means length of characters. Okay. So Mumbai is having, if you can count the number of characters, it is having 6 characters. So equals to len and then pass the and enter. Okay, so 6 characters. Now remember one thing, if there are 2 or more words and a space is also in between them, so always remember that space will also get counted. Okay, so equals to len and passing San Francisco and enter. So here in San Francisco, the space will be also counted as one character. If you count the digits, it will be 11. And if you include the space, it's 12. Okay. So this was about len. Len means length of characters. Next is mid. So mid will give you letters or text from in between the words. Now, what is the index position of T here? Index position, are you able to get?
Is it
Yes,
N
sir. T.
more than 10 crore?
So what will be the index position of 1? Oh, sorry, T?
1.
1. Yes. So 1 T is at first index position, R is at second index position, A is at third index position. Similarly, the rest of the letters have their own index position. So let's apply mid equals to mid. Now the first parameter is text. So I will pass the text, comma, it is asking for start number. So I'm giving 2, comma, number of characters I'm giving 4. So from second index position, it will give you 4 characters. So what will be the output? From
N,
second index position, 4 characters.
N,
Then
N.
RAVA.
No, those who are those one. What is Manu? What you are saying?
N, N.
N. No.
A.
Who was saying RAVA?
RAV, sir.
So those who are saying RAVA, they are correct. I think Pratibha was saying or any
Yeah,
others.
this one.
Okay. So those who are saying RAVA, they all are correct. See, it will give you 4 characters from second index position. So what will be 4 characters from second index position? RAVA.
Yeah, but the name is mid means middle. I thought whatever the word is, it will go exactly in the middle of the word.
No, no, no. It will give you text from in between the word. Got it?
No, I didn't get text from in between the words. Sorry, I didn't get
Suppose,
understand. Yeah,
you want to take out. Uh,
in Mumbai you can tell. So there are six, so we will get easily.
okay, see. Suppose here Mumbai is there.
Yeah, six letters are there. Okay,
Okay. Now suppose I want to take only UMB.
okay.
So equals to mid. I'll pass the text, comma. Now what will be the start character for getting UMB?
Start character is yeah two,
2, correct. And number of characters?
three.
3. Okay. Got it?
Yeah, means it's middle. That name middle means it's not from the center of the word. We
No,
have to
no, no,
specify
not don't
where.
take. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, that's I get. I
Don't take.
thought yeah.
Don't take it center. Center, don't take it.
Yeah, I thought it's center. Okay,
Okay, sure. Okay. No issue. Now next is left. So as the name suggests, left means from left hand side. So suppose I want to take out 3 characters from left hand side. So what I will do equals to left, pass the text and 3. So what it will do, it will give you 3 characters from left hand side. So MUM. Similarly, just right is opposite of left. So it will give us required number of characters from right hand side. So equals to right, passing the text, comma. If I give 4, what will be the output?
MBAI.
MBAI.
Yes, it will give you MBAI. Next is trim. So trim will remove any extra spaces before and after the word. So before H, can you see some extra spaces?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, space.
Yeah. So trim will remove all those extra spaces. So equals to trim, and then I'll pass the word here and enter. So the extra spaces are now removed. Okay. Next is find. So
Sir,
find
can you
will give
repeat
you
trim?
trim will give you remove the extra spaces if any.
Yeah, can you show again?
Okay. So equals to trim, pass the word and enter. Right.
Alright, so let me tell you how they are writing it very, very fast. They are selecting the functions what they want to choose, like trim. They're choosing the trim option by just clicking it once, and if you look at your keyboard, there might be a tab key. On a key, there might be written tab. Press the tab button and Excel writes it for you automatically. That's how they're doing. So don't get confused. That's one of the fast ways to do the work. I repeat it. how they are doing it fast? They are selecting the function and by seeing it and then clicking with their mouse just once. Just click it once and there you go. You just need to click it once and on a key there might be written tab. Press that tab key and then out pops the function on its own. Even it's a long function, you don't need to type it manually. Okay? Now let's get back to the video.
Equals to trim, pass the word, enter. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it will work in between two words also. If hello and hi are there, then it will consider
Hmm.
that also, or it's only for starting word in the cell.
It is for starting word.
Okay, it's not in between the words.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now next is find. So find will give you the index position of any text. So if I say what will be the index position of A in France?
3.
3.
3. Yes. So equals to find. Now in find text within double quotes, I will pass A. Okay, I will close the quotes, comma. Within text, I will pass France. Okay, and then enter. Understood? Let's take one more example. Let's do comma. Within text, I will pass France.
Also note that do you see this start number? You can clearly see its borders with these square brackets. Why are there these square brackets? This after I mean M, and before the normal bracket. Do you see this kind of bracket? They call the square bracket. But why is it placed is with start number only? Why not with the other? That's because this is not mandatory to write actually. It's not mandatory. Mandatory is in British pronunciation and mandatory is in American pronunciation. This is start number and the square borders signify that it isn't necessary to write this, but the ones not with the square borders are necessary to write.
Okay, and then enter. Understood? Let's take one more example. What will be the index position of capital I?
1. 1.
First
Yes.
position.
So equals to find. Within double quotes, I am passing I. Within text, India.
Find tells the index number. I got it.
Got it? So it will give you the index position of that text. Next is concat.
Sir, example, in the find case, we have taken a complete column. So it gives the picture of column, right? Different numerics. For
Not
example,
column, we are passing a word.
yeah, we are passing a word. If I drag the formula to
Yes,
find out
yes.
entire
Yes, yes.
column, it works, right?
Yeah, yeah. Now concat. So equals
So
to concat.
what if that letter is repeating in that word?
It will give you the first appearance.
And is it case sensitive in case of India? If we enter
Yes,
small I, we'll give 4.
yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Concatenate. So I will concatenate is used to join two or more words. So I want to join Atul and Sharma. So I'm taking Atul as text 1, comma. Now within double quotes, I'm giving space, close the quotes, comma, and I'm passing the second text, Sharma. Okay, take the first text, give quotes, pass space, close the quotes, and then the next word, and then enter. So now you are getting Atul Sharma in one cell. Understood?
So can we give more space in with the concatenate, sir, between the words?
Yes. The number of spaces you will pass, those number of spaces you will be getting.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Next is text to columns. Now in concat, what we were doing, we were passing or we were joining the data of two or more cells into one cell.
Here you will need to use like this separator is space. Separator is ampersand, whatever that is. Separator is at the rate. So actually what is here is that this maybe I'll explain it to you later. It's not the best time to explain it to you.
But in text to columns, we will be doing the opposite thing. We will be splitting the data of one cell into two or more cells. Okay. So like Rahul Tyagi is there. So I want to split as Rahul and Tyagi. So I will take this word.
Now I remember. You need to first go to the data tab. Here, you see? Wait, let me mark it. This thing right here that I just circled in a very, very improper way. Okay? Very, very improper way that I just circled. Okay? Let me show you again. Here it is. This guy. No, not this one. This guy. It is here. Okay? And this is how it works. Then you click on data and then you need to find text to columns option. There you will get two options, delimited or fixed width. There's a big difference between delimited and fixed width. Let me just show you.
I'll go to data menu and under data I will take text to columns.
Now you can clearly see that this is delimited. Delimited can separate characters such as commas or tabs, separate each field. Okay? Fixed width. Fields are aligned in columns with spaces between each field. Here you see delimited, you see here? Delimited can only separate two words. Okay? Like Rahul Tyagi. It can separate Rahul and Tyagi into different cells like we can select them. Okay? Okay. They can separate more characters. Okay? And fixed width fields are aligned in commas and spaces, columns
For
I
with
will
this,
select
no
spaces between
formula
each
delimited.
is
field.
there, Krish. So we have to go by menu only.
Meaning
No formula.
actually in fixed width fields actually can be done even in one word. I mean, those are silly words. Anyway, uh, fixed width. In fixed width, you can separate even one word. Isn't that great? A bit. You can even separate more than two words, but it's on a delimitation. Okay? And also, you can clearly see that it is giving a message. The text wizard has determined that your data is delimited, meaning it has delimiters and it is the perfect one to be delimited. But fixed width delimited can be done by Microsoft Excel by itself. But in fixed width, you can you are free to select any of the lines by yourself. To create a crease, I mean line, but crease and line are the same thing. To create a crease, uh, mm, click once on the place you want to separate. To move a line, click and drag. I mean, to move a crease, click and drag. To delete a crease, double click on it.
Like upper,
No,
lower, like that, no?
no.
Okay.
Then next. Then what is the separator here? What is the delimiter?
Semicolon.
Space.
Space.
Yes. So we'll select space. So as soon you select space, you will get a break line.
Yeah.
Then next. And then we will specify the destination. I'm giving E6 as the destination and then finish. Got it? Let's see it again. So Vivek @Bansal is there. I'm going to text to columns, selecting delimited. Now what is the delimiter here?
Other.
Others at the rate.
At
At
the
the
rate.
rate.
Right.
Others.
So we will check on other and we will take @ here. As when you pass the @ you got a break line here. Then next, give the destination and then finish. Okay. Now, if you want to do at one go, so you can select all the names, go to text to columns, select delimited. Now, what is the common delimiter?
And
And. So I will pass and. Then next, give the destination and click on finish. Got it?
Sir, like text to column separator, there is no difference. I feel like in the first instance we see like Rahul and Tagi. Here also Rahul Tagi. What is it making difference? Sir?
The delimiter is different. See, basically why we use text to columns is to separate the first name and the last name.
Mm-hmm. Agree.
Got it?
Yes, I agree.
Okay.
And so this delimited. Hello.
Okay, now I'm giving you one question. Okay. So the question is separate the text and the numbers.
Left and right formulas can be used here.
Yes.
Equal to left to 3 and right to 3.
Yes. Right 3.
Yeah, right 3 for the numbers. Sorry, 2.
Yes. So we can use left pass the text, comma 3. So I will get the text. And then for the numbers, I will pass right, pass the text, comma 2. Fine.
Sir, in the same case, the word is like mixed up. F, D, 3, X, 2. In that way,
No,
can we divide into
no,
alphabet and numeric?
no. If there is a uniform pattern, then only.
Okay.
Okay. I can do in one more way.
Mm.
First, I will select the words.
Okay.
Then we will go to text to columns.
Yeah.
You will take fixed width.
Okay.
Then we'll click on next. And
Mm.
now after the third character, we will pass a line.
Okay.
Okay, so we pass the break line.
Mm.
Then we'll click on next. Then we'll give the destination. And then we will click on finish.
Oh, it is so easy. Mm.
Okay.
And this will also work for uniform pattern only, right? If first word have three letters and second word have two letters, in that case it won't work.
No, no.
It's all for uniform pattern.
Yeah, if there is a uniform pattern going on, then only we can use it. Is it clear?
Yeah, clear, sir. If you don't mind, can you repeat that Rahul and Tagi use at the rate and right, the special characters? Just the difference I am unable to identify.
The delimiter is here. The delimiter is and
Mm.
here it was space. Understood?
Mm. Delimiter.
Delimiter is the separator.
Yeah, in all cases, I see like and only the delimiter in the column I,
Yes,
right?
in
Okay.
this column.
Mm.
Yes, in
Okay.
this
So
column, all
we
the
don't want that particular delimiter, like yeah, that special character we don't want, right?
yes, the middle the and we don't want. See what is the thing here?
Yeah.
Like suppose you are having a name
Mm.
like Ravi Prakash is there. Okay,
Okay.
in one column.
Mm.
Now you want to separate this name as first name and last name in two different cells.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Suppose, see here, I am taking a name as Ravi Prakash.
Yes, agree.
Okay.
Mm.
Now I have a column of first name here
Okay.
and here last name.
Mm.
Okay.
Yes.
So now what needs to be there in this column, in this
The
cell?
first name, the name should be separate. Ravi here.
Ravi here and last name
Prakash.
Prakash. So Can we use text to columns here?
Yes.
So we will go to text to columns. We'll select delimited. What is the delimiter?
Space.
Space.
Space. So we'll click on space. Then next, we'll give the destination and then finish.
Yes.
Understood?
Yeah.
Okay, I hope I have answered your query.
No, this I got, sir. What is the delimiter? Again, if you select that delimiter, right? Others, for example, for the same
Delimiter
case.
is the separator. We don't keep that separator in the name. Why do we need space here in Ravi and Prakash?
Sorry.
Do we require the space here in Ravi and
No.
Prakash if
No.
they are in different columns?
No. No.
So that's delimiter is for separating when the both the words are in the same column. If
Okay.
they are
It's
in,
like removing, right?
yes, we're removing
Okay.
it because it's not required.
Okay. Thank you. Got it. Got it. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can we separate if the different operators are there, like Rahul, Tyagi, Vivek at the rate Bansal by a line, break line?
You can do, but there is a limitation on that.
Okay.
In other,
What
you can
limitation
pass
up
only
to
one character.
only one by one we have to do.
Yes.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Okay. Now let's come to cell reference. Now we have a small table here where we are having month, total income.
Now you see, in this absolute cell reference, you need to select the percentage, right? So what do you need to write here? Is equal to, then click on this cell and then press slash and then click on this cell and then press enter key and then there you go. You got 0.48 and then go to the home tab and in one of the number tabs you'll see a percentage sign. Click on that and you'll get 48%. But like you saw there, you see this plus? If you try to drag it, you'll get wrong ones. So you need to lock the denominator, which is 100. So to do so, click at the last of 16 as 100 is C16 actually. So you need to press F4. After that, when you will drag it down, you get the right results. How will that work? Because you have actually locked the denominator. You'll see it later.
Total expense. Okay.
Mm.
Now tell me what will be net income?
That income minus expense.
Income
Column
minus
column
expense. Yes,
column C
correct.
minus column D.
Hmm.
So can we write here equals to C6 minus D6?
Obviously.
Can we
Yes.
write?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And then I'll click on enter. Okay. And just I will drag it to the rest of the cells. Okay.
Okay.
Now consider another scenario here where we are having names, their score out of 100, and we have to calculate percentage here. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Please, everyone, can you mute yourself? Some of the students are getting disturbed. So kindly, please mute yourself. Okay. See, here, what is the thing? Here, so I want to take out the percentage. Okay. Percentage of the students. Now for John here, what will be the formula here? It will be 48 by 100. Okay. So I will be doing equals to 48 by 100. This will be the formula. Okay. I am getting 0.48. Now I am converting this cell to percentage. I'll go to home and I will click on this button, the percent style. So I got 48%.
Yes, sir.
Now, if I drag down, will I get the correct results?
Yes, exactly.
No,
No.
no.
You will get.
No.
Because 100 cell reference is change in the next tab
Yes.
when will be dragged.
Yes. So if I drag down, see, I'm getting error. Are the values correct?
No.
No. The values are not correct. So what needs to be done here? Why we are getting error? See here, the formula is C18 by C16. But if I please mute, Anup, mute yourself. Now, if you come down and see the formula here, it is C19 by C17. Now in C19 we are having 45, but in C17 what we are having? Score.
Score.
So this is the reason we are getting error here and the values are not correct. So in this case, what we have to do, we have to log the denominator or freeze the denominator. So how we can freeze? We can click beside C16 and we will click on F4. So as I pressed F4, can you see the dollar sign coming?
Yes.
So this dollar sign is indicating that our cell is locked.
Freeze.
Okay, and then press enter. And then what you have to do, you have to drag down. And once you drag down, you will get the correct results. Yes, Laksh.
Sir, can you please tell me again how to log the denominator?
See, now it is C18 by C16.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now to lock it, I will press F4. Function button F4. So as I press, are you getting the dollar sign?
Yes, sir. So it automatically takes the denominator by F4.
F4, yes.
And what if we want to log the numerator?
Again, in the numerator, press F4.
Acha, we
Beside
have to first
numerator,
select the denominator or the numerator and then F4.
no, not exactly select, just click beside the denominator. See, where is
Okay,
my
okay.
cursor now?
Okay, sir. Yes. I didn't notice that. That's why.
Okay, now understood?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So, C is below beside C16 and press enter. So what enter will do, it will lock the denominator. And just you will drag down, so you will get all the results correctly. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now till here, if anyone is having any doubts, you can ask me.
Now, one thing, when we select 48 by 100, so it should
Mhm.
come as 85 by 100, no? So why it's taking 85 by score? That I did not understand when you drag.
Uh, Earlier,
Yes, earlier, yeah.
the address was changing.
No, yeah.
I
Can you
showed
show?
you.
Yes, yes, yeah,
See, I'm showing you again.
yeah. Sorry.
Just see the cell address. Focus on
Okay,
the cell address.
okay.
What is the cell address now?
16.
18 by 16.
Yes, correct. Okay.
Okay. 48% I am getting.
Yes, yeah.
Now, if I drag down,
Mm,
see here I am getting error.
yes.
What is the address here?
19 by 17. No, it should. Okay.
70.
No, 16 is not fixed if we do not put F4.
Yes, it is not fixed. That's why it is increasing.
Okay. So it will also come down, increase 17, 18, it will go. Okay.
18, 19, 20, so on.
Okay.
Now
Yeah.
got it?
Yes, yes, yeah. Thank you.
So now if we lock it, we will not face this issue again.
Yeah. It will be fixed on 16.
16, yeah, 16 will remain fixed for all the cells.
Okay.
Why we are fixing? Because we don't have a column of 100. We are having 100 in only one cell. If you would have 100 in a separate column, then no need of fixing.
Then if
But
we
see,
drag this, it will come, right? Normal only.
yes, yes.
Uh, okay,
Since
okay,
we
sir.
are
Now,
not having a separate column of 100, that's why we have to fix it.
okay, because every time I will do, I just in, yeah, because it has shared two cells to its.
Yes,
That is the reason it is going 70 increasing. Yeah. Okay, sir.
yes. Okay. Shall I stop here or shall I continue?
Yes, sir. You can continue.
Okay. So let's discuss date and time functions. Now, date.
In date and time functions, date is useless, time is useless, now is useful, today is useful, month is useless, year is useless, day is useless, and date diff is good. Yeah, it's good. In date, in date, you need to enter the date for what it needs to show, what kind of date it needs to show. And that's silly. You can enter the date by yourself. And time. You need to tell the time to what kind of time it needs to write and just write the time. If you're providing the time, why can't you just save the time by writing the time on your own? Now, now tells both the current time and the current date. You don't need to provide anything. Just now, bracket open and bracket close. Simple, no text. You just need to enter now. Sorry for disturbance or waiting too long. In month, you provide the month. Useless. Year, you provide the year. Useless. Day, you provide the day. Useless.
So if someone is asking you about date, so what are the parameters of date? Different parameters.
DD, MM, YY. YY, MM, DD.
Day, month,
Yes,
year, day, year,
we
month.
require year, month, and day. Three things we require. So it's to year. Sorry, it is date. So equals to date, pass the year, comma, pass the month, comma, and then pass the day. Got all the parameters? And then click on enter. So you are getting a date. Okay. Next is time.
Sir, when we can directly write the date, then why again formula required?
It's a formula. It's another way of writing a date.
Okay. Means anything like that you face where we want for date also we want this format.
You can, yes, where you want date format, you can apply the formula and directly write the date.
Okay.
Next is time. So for time, it is hour, minute, and second. 3 parameters are there for time. So equals to time. For hour, I am giving 10. For minute, I am giving 25. For second, I am giving 36. So we have fulfilled all the 3 criteria: hour, minute, second, and then enter. So 10:25 a.m. Next is now. So for now, no need to pass anything. By default, if we
Why the dates are not coming current? It should come
please
current dates.
see, please, everyone, please follow the rules. If you want to ask any question, please raise your hand. I will be
Okay.
requesting everyone. Don't interrupt in between because the class gets disturbed. It's a request.
Okay.
Okay, I'm coming to you. Wait, just let me explain it. So now, what is the thing? You don't have to pass anything. Just you have to pass equals to now, and it will give you the current date and time. Okay. So equals to now, press tab and enter. So we'll get the current date and time. Yes, you can ask now.
I was saying, sir, the date and time should come the current date and time, whatever the time we are having. So why it is not coming soon?
No, we have time means whatever time you will pass, that time will come, not the current time.
Okay. And same about the date.
Yes, whatever date you will passing, you will get that date, not the current date.
So how so passing means we are typing it, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Next is today. So for today, again you have to pass today only, and you will get current date, or you can say today's date. So equals to today and enter. So we are getting today's date here. Remember, in now and today, no need to pass anything, just now and enter. In now, you will be getting current date and time, and in today, you will be getting the current date. That's it. Now, next is month. So in month, what you have to do equals to month and pass a date. I pass the date. Now what it will do, it will fetch month part from that date. So what is the month path here?
10th. 10th. 10th.
10. Yes, correct. 10. It will fetch the month part. Similarly, there is year. So equals to year. I'll pass the date and enter. So we are getting 2020. Okay. Next is day. So in day, we have to pass the, similarly, we'll pass the date and it will fetch day part from that date. Yes, please ask.
Is there any formula for current timing?
No, not for current time. Now is there, in which now you will get current date and time.
Can we separate date and timing in different
Mm,
columns?
I think with the help of that you can separate text to columns.
Text to column, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, Lakshya.
Sir, like we have written the date in US format. What if we write in the other format, like date first and then month and then year?
See, it is totally as per your default settings. Okay. If you change the settings, it will represent in that way. It is
Okay,
totally
what
as
is
per your
the
settings of
default setting, sir? Like if we download the Excel, so what is the default setting? This one
this
or
is
the other one?
this one only. No, no, I
Okay,
have changed it. I have kept it to default only. I haven't changed it.
okay, sir.
Say one thing, like
Yeah,
we have the date and the column G as
yeah,
month, date, and year, 4 digit of year,
yeah.
right? The application which I use this data, it it is taking only date, month, year, like in a US format. So can I change this column to the US formatting, the date?
Which column you want to change? Can you repeat your question, please?
You mean to like in the column G, we have
G.
date format is like
This
month,
one.
date, year, right? Yes.
Yes.
I want it to convert in date, month, year.
Yes, yes. See here. See, I'm showing you. Right click here and go to, there will be a format cells.
Okay.
Okay. Now, can you see the different formats here?
Yes, sir.
You can select any of these formats.
Can you select that March 14, 2012, sir?
This one.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it?
Got it. Thank you. Yeah. Clear, sir.
Now I'm changing it to the default settings. Okay. I think this was the default setting, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Control that is fine, sir. Yes. Otherwise.
Okay. Okay. Now day. So equals to day. And then I'll pass the word, sorry, date, not word, and enter. So 25. Now next is dated if. Shiva, you have question?
No, no, no. I raised. I'm clear, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Dated if is used to calculate the difference between two dates. Okay. Now suppose I am taking today's date. I'm taking an earlier date. I'm taking date here, and here I'm giving 1990, 10, and 12. So I've taken a random date here. And now what I'm doing, I'm taking today's date. So these, I'm having two dates here. Now suppose this is date of birth of a person. Okay.
The date difference tells us about how many years of how many months or how many days have passed from this date to that date. Like 1990 and 2025. How many years have passed from 1990 to 2025? Well, they minus it. You need to first provide the date, a date, another date, and the type of way you need to minus it. Y, M, or D. D means day, M means month, and Y means year. So I want how many years have been passed. So they will subtract 2025 from 1990. And the answer we will get is how many years have passed. So let's check.
So can we calculate his age? How many years he is?
Yes.
So what we'll do equals to dated. If I'll write the whole formula and then I'll place the opening brackets. Okay. Now I'll pass the first date, comma, second date, comma, within double quotes y. So what I did, I passed the first date, then second date, then within double quotes y, and then enter. So what is his age? 34 years. Got it, everyone?
Yeah. We can go with hours per H also, sir.
Pardon?
No. We can calculate in hours also with the H help and a semicolon.
No. We can
No?
pass, we can get in mm for months.
Okay. Only months and year. Okay.
Month and year. Okay. If you want in days, we can pass day here.
Wow.
Yes. Yes, Anaga.
No, sir, my doubt is clear now.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. See, okay, so today we have discussed a lot of things. I think till here everyone is, hope I was able to make you understand all the things till here.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah.
Till here is clear, sir. Pretty clear.
Okay. Is the pace fine or we are going fast?
No, it's correct.
Yes, sir. Fine.
Okay. Okay, those who are raising it, they have questions.
Yes, sir. Anup, this way.
Yeah, Anup, tell me.
So actually, I'm having a question earlier to this system. What's called reference, which I logged the percentage for me. The
In
locking
cell
and
reference.
yeah, cell reference to the locking part of
Locking.
that
Okay.
yeah,
See,
percentage.
what you have to do, if you want to lock C16, just click beside C16.
Yeah.
Okay. Just click beside C16 and press F4.
Okay.
Understood?
It will get locked.
I hope I have answered your query.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. BS Bimalindu.
In the column date and time, if we are selecting selecting for a total means a total year and month at a time, is it possible?
Okay. Yes, it is possible. I am giving this question as your homework so that you can work on it and you will be getting it.
Okay.
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 What is the homework? Suppose I want to take year, month, and days. All three. I have
At a time.
increased days also.
At a time.
Okay, and at a single time.
Yes.
Okay, those who want to note or they can note it. This is will be your homework. Okay. Yeah, Satarupa.
Yes, sir. I was just asking, can we get this Excel sheet for practicing? Because we need some data for practice.
I will share it. I will share it. Don't worry.
Thank you.
Sir, for any understanding, do you have a recording in the in our account?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. See, whatever classes we will be, you will be getting, everything is recorded.
And for you are sharing the data sheet, it will be in, there is any group or in the accounts?
I will share it with you in the chat.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. I'm just sharing it.
Okay.
Sorry, it will be available in the LMS recording, right, sir?
Recording will be available, yeah.
And what you are going to share, sir? Sorry, I didn't get.
The files.
The files you're going to share to the emails.
No, in the chat I will be sending, and you can get it from the chat. Let me share, then you will understand.
Okay.
Sir, I have a question in dative formula.
Just wait, please. Share. Let me share the file, then I will come to your queries.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I have a
Okay, tell me.
question.
Yeah.
सर एक्चुअली इफ आई वांट टू दिस कि मुझे मंथ और ईयर दोनों चाहिए तो
किसमें चाहिए?
हाउ टू कैलकुलेट डेटिव फॉर्मूला.
ये होमवर्क दिया है मैंने.
ओके.
This question is your homework. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
in the date diff formula, year will come by default.
No, you have to pass Y, then only you will get years.
Okay. If we pass M, so it will come month, right?
Months. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Those whose answers I have given, please lower your hands so that I will come to know.
Sir,
Yeah.
actually I got confused again how to remove this years.
How
This
to?
date, you have shown this date, month, and year, right? So how to calculate
Yes.
their age? I got confused actually.
To calculate years, you will pass Y. Okay. To calculate months, you will pass M. And to calculate days, you will pass D.
Okay.
Okay. I hope I have answered everyone's query. Is there anyone left?
Hello,
Yes.
I have a one question. Is there possible we have to calculate the days like Monday, Tuesday? Is there any formula for that?
No. What you have to calculate?
एक्चुअली मुझे ये बोलना है कि जैसे अपने यहाँ पे डेट कैप्चर किया है टुडे, डे में अपने 25 डेज कैलकुलेट किया है, उसी तरह अगर मुझे कैलकुलेट मतलब आई मीन मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेनेसडे, थर्सडे ऐसे कैलकुलेट करना है या फिर निकालना है डेज, तो उसके लिए इज देयर एनी फॉर्मूला?
I'm not getting your question.
मतलब इनकेस अभी मुझे एक टेबल बनाना है जिसमें मुझे अटेंडेंस मार्क करना है. फॉर एग्जांपल आई हैव अ 10 ट्रेनीज और उनका मुझे
Okay.
अटेंडेंस मार्क करना है वीक वाइज. तो इट इज स्टार्टेड
Okay.
फ्रॉम मंडे टू सैटरडे और संडे,
Okay.
राइट? तो मुझे कैसे अगर एक कॉलम पे मैंने मंडे लिख लिया तो मैं ड्रैग करके उसको संडे तक ले जा सकती हूँ, राइट?
Yes, yes, yeah.
तो उसके लिए कोई फॉर्मूला है जिसको मैं विदाउट ड्रैग किए अगर मैं फॉर्मुलेट करूँ तो डायरेक्ट वो मंडे टू संडे तक रोज में ऐड हो जाए?
No, I don't think any formula is there for that. जैसे 1 2 3 रहता है ना, तो we drag it till 10. जनवरी फरवरी है तो we drag it till दिसंबर. सिमिलरली आप ड्रैग करो, हो जाएगा.
हाँ, आई नो द ड्रैग करने के बाद हो जाता है, बट आई जस्ट वांट टू आस्क यू फॉर दैट इफ एनी हैव एनी फॉर्मूलाज.
No.
ओके.
Okay, has everyone downloaded the files? Please check whether I have shared all the sheets or not. Just give me a confirmation.
Only 4 sheets, sir.
हाँ, 4 sheets because we have discussed 4 topics.
Yes, sir.
Whatever topics I have discussed, I have shared those files only. And rest, as we discuss the topics, I will keep on sharing the files. Okay.
Sir, I'll be little late to the class. So from where did we get this file, shared files?
Sorry, can you come again, please?
Actually, I was little late to the class.
Mm-hmm.
So I couldn't find the shared file. So could you just tell me from
Okay.
where did we get shared
Check
files?
check in the chat. Check in the chat.
So thank you guys for watching today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any more doubts, then ask it on Google. I'm not responsible for any responsibilities, although I am responsible for some. If you have any doubts, just ask in the comments section below. And like and subscribe and share to people who don't know Excel and they are beginner to Excel. They should know this. And if you want to start a new job, search for @Hirendra Panjiar. Okay, just search Hirendra Panjiar. That's it. And when you see a man wearing spectacles on with a purple background, you will see. You have to click on their link. I've given you the link in the description below. And if you have any queries, then ask them in the comment section below. I'm just repeating those words. Some of your doubts have been cleared in this video, as you can clearly see. And and if this video gets banned, this demingle, I don't know what will happen to them. I'll just sue them. Just kidding. I'm not really doing that. And remember, this is a warning. This is Ingrid. Do not search these videos on YouTube. If you search them, you might get sued by Ingrid. This is just a warning. Okay? This is just a warning. Got it? Did you get it? Anyone? Anyone saying anything? Hello? 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 Nobody's responding. Weird. Au revoir.